Is your Hisense TV remote refusing to respond or acting completely dead? Don't worry, because we are going to get those buttons working again right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This usually happens because of a frozen internal chip in the remote, a Bluetooth pairing glitch, or static buildup in the TV's receiver. Let's re-establish that connection with 10 advanced solutions. Step 1. Perform a full remote power drain. Remove the batteries and press every single button on the remote at least twice. This drains the residual power and resets the remote's internal processor. Step 2. The 60-second TV reset. Unplug your Hisense TV from the wall for 1 full minute. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 15 seconds to clear the Bluetooth cache. Step 3. Repair the Bluetooth signal. Stand within 3 feet of your TV. Press and hold the menu button and the center button simultaneously for 5 seconds until the pairing light starts flashing. Step 4. Check for button jam. A single stuck button, like volume or home, will prevent the remote from sending any other signals. Firmly rub your thumb over all the buttons to ensure none are physically wedged down. Step 5. Use the phone camera test. Point the top of your remote at your smartphone camera and press a button. If you see a flashing light on your phone screen, the hardware is working, and the issue is likely with the TV pairing. Step 6. Clean the battery contacts. Use a cotton swab with a tiny bit of isopropyl alcohol to wipe the metal springs inside the remote. Even an invisible layer of oxidation can block the power flow. Step 7. Use the remote app bypass. Download the Hisense Remote Now or Google Home app on your phone. Use the digital remote to navigate to the remotes and accessories menu and manually delete the old remote profile. Step 8. Check for 2.4 GHz interference. Move your Wi-Fi router or wireless speakers away from the TV. These devices can drown out the low-energy Bluetooth signal your remote uses to talk to the TV. Step 9. Inspect the IR sensor path. Ensure there are no soundbars or decorations blocking the bottom edge of your Hisense TV frame. Even Bluetooth remotes often need a clear line of sight for the initial power-on signal. Step 10. Replace with fresh alkaline batteries. Avoid using rechargeable batteries in your Hisense remote. They often provide a slightly lower voltage that is enough to blink the light, but not enough to maintain a stable Bluetooth link. Here is a pro tip for you. If your remote only works when you are very close to the TV, check for unshielded HDMI 2.1 cables. Poorly shielded cables can emit electronic noise that interferes with the remote's range. Check for unshielded HDMI 2.1 cables. Poorly shielded cables can emit electronic noise that interferes with the remote's range. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, leave a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more expert tech fixes. You've got this, and your remote will be back in control in no time.